credit card debt accumulates when spending surpasses the amount repaid. Standing balances on credit cards are subject to interest charges. APR, or annual percentage rate, determines the cost of carrying credit card debt. Higher APRs result in greater interest charges and a slower debt repayment. Understanding APR is crucial for managing and minimizing credit card debt. High interest rates significantly increase the total cost of debt repayment. A 5-0 balance at 18% APR results in substantially higher total payments compared to a lower APR. Higher APRs extend the repayment period required to pay off a debt. The total interest paid on a high APR loan can eventually exceed the original principal balance. Minimum payments on high-interest debt barely cover the accumulating interest, prolonging debt repayment. Careful evaluation of APR is crucial for managing debt and minimizing long-term financial burden. A balance transfer moves debt from a high-interest credit card to a new card with a lower APR. The goal of balance transfer is to reduce the interest paid during the promotional period. With a lower interest rate, more of each payment goes towards reducing the principal balance. Balance transfers often involve a promotional 0% interest period, providing a window for accelerated debt repayment. When considering a balance transfer, it is important to evaluate the associated balance transfer fees. Balance transfer fees are typically calculated as a percentage of the total amount transferred. Understanding the promotional period's duration is crucial for a balance transfer's financial benefit. Be aware of the APR that will apply after the promotional period ends to avoid unexpected costs. Debt consolidation involves obtaining a personal loan to pay off multiple credit card debts. The personal loan typically features a fixed interest rate, ensuring predictable repayment terms. Debt consolidation simplifies debt management by consolidating multiple payments into a single monthly payment. A debt consolidation loan provides a structured approach to debt repayment. The consolidated loan replaces multiple variable interest rates with a single, often lower fixed rate. This single loan can potentially lower the overall interest paid and simplify budgeting. Before consolidating debt, it is crucial to compare interest rates. Evaluate all associated fees of consolidation loans to determine the true cost. Compare the total cost of a consolidation loan with the aggregate APRs of existing credit card debts. A lower overall cost should be the primary goal when considering debt consolidation. Ensure the consolidation loan offers a manageable repayment schedule tailored to individual financial circumstances. Careful evaluation ensures debt consolidation effectively reduces financial burden and simplifies repayment. The debt snowball method involves listing debts from smallest to largest balance, irrespective of interest rates. The primary focus is to pay off the smallest debt first, while making minimum payments on the remaining debts. The sense of accomplishment from eliminating smaller debts provides motivation for continued debt repayment. This method leverages psychological momentum to accelerate debt reduction. The debt snowball method provides psychological wins by ensuring quick successes in debt repayment. This method is particularly effective for individuals who need motivation to stay committed to debt repayment. Early successes build momentum and encourage continued adherence to the debt repayment plan. The debt snowball approach leverages the power of positive reinforcement to overcome the challenges of debt reduction. The debt avalanche method focuses on repaying debts with the highest interest rates first. Prioritizing high-interest debts minimizes the total interest paid over the repayment period. Paying off high-interest debts first leads to faster debt reduction. The debt avalanche method results in cheaper debt reduction due to less interest accumulation. By strategically targeting high-interest debts, the debt avalanche method accelerates financial freedom. The debt avalanche method is mathematically the most efficient debt repayment strategy. This strategy prioritizes repaying debts with the highest interest rates first. The debt avalanche method requires discipline to consistently allocate payments. Unlike the debt snowball method, the debt avalanche may not provide immediate gratification. The focus is on long-term financial efficiency rather than short-term psychological wins. Adherence to the debt avalanche method results in the lowest total interest paid over time. Increasing payment frequency to bi-weekly or weekly can accelerate principal reduction. Accelerated principal reduction results in lower overall interest charges. More frequent payments can significantly shorten the total repayment period. Bi-weekly payments apply half of the monthly payment every 2 weeks. The cumulative effect of more frequent payments substantially reduces the loan term. This strategy optimizes loan repayment by strategically reducing the principal balance. Bi-weekly payments effectively equate to making 13 monthly payments per year instead of 12. This accelerated payment schedule significantly reduces the principal balance faster than standard monthly payments. Paying down the principal faster leads to a shorter loan repayment timeline. The cumulative effect of bi-weekly payments is a substantial reduction in the total interest paid over the life of the loan. Contacting credit card issuers to negotiate a lower interest rate is a viable debt management strategy. Even a small reduction in the annual percentage rate, APR, can lead to substantial savings over the lifespan of the debt. Negotiating a lower APR directly reduces the cost of borrowing and accelerates debt repayment. Lower interest rates decrease the amount of money allocated to interest payments, freeing up funds for principal reduction. Successfully negotiating a lower APR requires preparation and clear communication with the credit card issuer. The long-term financial benefits of lowering the APR on credit card debt can be significant. Highlighting a good payment history can strengthen a negotiation for better credit card terms. Comparing offers from other credit card companies provides leverage during rate negotiations. Maintaining a polite but firm demeanor is crucial for successful negotiation outcomes. Requesting a lower rate should be presented as a reasonable and data-backed proposition. Creating a detailed budget is essential for tracking income and expenses effectively. Identifying areas for spending reduction allows for allocating more funds towards debt repayment. Budgeting apps provide digital tools for efficient expense management and tracking. Spreadsheets offer a customizable platform for creating and managing budgets. Effective budgeting facilitates informed financial decisions and reduces debt. Regularly reviewing and adjusting the budget ensures alignment with financial goals and priorities. After debt payoff, establishing healthy financial habits is crucial to prevent future debt accumulation. Building an emergency fund is a key component of a healthy financial strategy. Living within one's means helps ensure financial stability and prevents over-reliance on credit. Using credit cards responsibly involves paying balances in full and avoiding unnecessary debt. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated for more videos.